Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Let's learn the phonic sound of letter P. Are you ready? Let's go! This is big P and this is small p. Letter P sounds like p, p. P is for pen. P, p, pen. P is for pig. P, p, pig. P is for pan. P, p, pan. P is for pencil. P, p, pencil. P is for parrot. P, p, parrot. P is for pot. P, p, pot. P is for pumpkin. P, p, pumpkin. P is for panda. P, p, panda. P is for pineapple. P, p, pineapple. P is for pizza. P, p, pizza. Let's revise all the words once again. Pen, pig, pan, pencil, parrot, pot, pumpkin, panda, pineapple, pizza. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.